Hello, good day everybody. Here's another exciting video for Sage 50 software and complete the file which has been given to you as an homework. I have done this file in the class with you and I'm going to give you this file in recording so you're able to complete your files and send it to me on my email. So let's start working on it. First, what file? So first, go to your Schoology, go to your course. So, and you're able to see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Please, guys, follow the instructions what are given to you in your week. So, for example, this week, I have given you week number 3. I click on it, and the videos are there. It's not very difficult. It's just how you are going to follow these videos. I have explained everything to you point by point in the video. It's very easy to understand and to follow if you're watching the videos properly. Now, let's start working on it. People are saying, oh, which file I have to do? Guys, here is a link how to install Murals data files. So here is how you're going to do it. Click on data file link. It's in your Schoology, week number 3. I click on it. It shows to me that I'm refused to connect. But I told you in the video that you do not have to worry about this. You have to click on data file link, the blue color data file link. I click on it and it is telling you to download. But where? Please take a look. Where does it say download? Right here. I have explained in the video. On your right upper corner, there is a button called download. Click on it. Okay. So I click on it and it is still downloading. In here, if you can see, take a look, it been downloaded. Okay, so where is it been downloaded? Now go to File Manager. Here's your File Manager, or go to your main window. So I go in here, either I can go from here, File Manager, or I'll show you both options, File Manager, or I go to main window. Main window is right here. Then I go to my PC. So I go to this PC, same window. Okay, maximize the window. Where is it? It's in downloads. Okay, I click on downloads. Now chapter murals.zip right in here, guys. So now a lot of people have difficulties with this, that you can see a zip file. Guys, take a look. This is a zip file. There's a zipper on it. This is a zip file. It's a zipper on it. So that's why it's called a zipper file. You can't use this file. You have to unzip the file first or extract the file. How? Right click on it and you're able to see extract all, or you're able to see unzip. Both options are the same. Extract file. So I click on extract file. It is asking me where. So you do not going to change the folder. Otherwise you got confused. So in here, I will or unzip it. It will still ask you which folder. I'm not going to change the folder. So it will tell you where to extract. Click on extract. Click on extract. It will extract the files, 486 files. It is extracting right now. And and now take a look. Close it. I have one file which has a zipper and one file which is open. Zipper, open. You can't use this file. Okay, so you're going to open the file and then double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. So software is already installed on my computer. Now I want to use this file. So which file? This is a folder. This is the file, guys, the blue color. So I double click on it. It will open up my file in the software. What software? The Sage 50 software, which we installed before this. So it is opening the file right now. So it opened the files and it is asking me the session date. Where can I get the session date? Now your work has been started. Everything is normal. Your work has been started. Okay, where is this file? This file, I have put it for you under under your Schoology. Where is it? So take a look. Here is it, guys. Here is the file, week 3, and it's right here, chapter number 3, Murals PDF. So you have to click on it. It will open up, and the same way we have done in Excel, we read it and we do it. Same thing, you're going to read step by step. So first one, Murals. Okay, next one in here, instructions. So open the restore. So I open the data file called Murals. Then first thing, you do not have to read all of these writing, guys. You have to read only the highlighted part. So for example, it says click calendar icon. Where? You're going to read it from here. And it says click calendar icon. Where? Remember, we open the file, we open the software. So now click on the calendar right in here, guys. See this and see this. Both have the same picture. So this chapter is giving you the pictures as well, so you won't get confused. Click calendar icon. I click on calendar icon. Next one. Click 7th April on the calendar icon. 7th April. I click on 7th April 2019. Click on OK. Click on OK. What is so difficult about it? Nothing. But you have to do it. Okay. So I click on it. Next one. Read again. What does it say? So it says that your software window will look like this. Take a look. Exactly look like this. Journal, accountant copy, all the full window exactly look like the same. So this uh, chapter is giving you the exact pictures as well. So you won't get confused. Next one. It says click on journal icon. No problem. I click on journal icon. Now in journal icon, I have two options. Either it says click on journal icon or click on the small arrow right beside it. It will give me three options: create, find, and adjust. So if I want to create new, I click on create. If I want to do find, I would find. If I want to adjust the entry, then I will adjust. So in this case, I want to create, or I want to double click create. This window opens. Now we are going to create. But what are we are going to create? Take a look. Right under it, it's a question. It says you are now ready to enter the first transaction in the journal input screen. So what is the entry? Entry is, read the question. Purchase invoice number FH161, date is April 2nd, from Foothill Hardware, 795 plus 39.75 GST paid for cordless power drill with sender attachments. Purchase invoice totaled $834.75. Terms net 30 days. So this is the question, guys. This question number 1 and question has a mark, means this question has been solved for you. Okay, so now Karan comes to me and asks me, sir, where is been solved? Take a look. Again, it says type FH161. Right where to type? Again in the software. Let's do it. So I'll put it, so I will read it for it as well. It says source. So FH-161. I type it. Then the date. Always remember from left to right. From left to right. Then left is this part. Right. What are we going to change? We're going to change the date. Karan comes to me, sir, how do you know? Take a look at the question. The date is April 2nd. How? I can write the date April 2nd, 2019 or 2nd April 2019. Okay. Or I can click on the calendar. So it's an exam question. There's only one way to change the date. No, there are multiple ways to change the date, right? So in the exam, I will ask you, there's only one way to change the date. No, there are multiple ways. You can punch in April, APR, April forward, 2019 first, or with the help of a calendar. So the answer is multiple ways. Next one. Then it says, go to the comment section. Comment right in here. What what are we going to write? We're going to write, type it, Foothills Hardware, means that's the name of the company. Foothills Hardware. Good. Then press tab. It says in here, press tab. I press tab. Then it will asking you about different kind of accounts. So it's right in here, different kind of accounts. So it says in here, click on the magnifying glass. I click on it. All of these accounts comes right in front of you. Here is the picture for you to be easily take a look. No problem. Then it says click on 1550 tools and equipment. Karan comes to me, sir, where is this 1550? Guys, take a look. In account number, you have an account name and account number. So take a look, 1550 right in here, 1550. Then it says select. I click select. Simple. Then it is asking you, what are we going to do in the debit? Okay, so type amount without dollar signs. You do not need typical decimals. So we are going to type it 795. I put 795. Okay, then press tab. As soon as you press tab, in this software, you have to use the tab in order to move from one window to another window, from one box to another box, right? So you have to press tab. I press tab. In next one, it says the cursor moves to the comment field. Yes, it does. And then you have to type. It says type in here. Remember, I told you, read the bold or the highlighted parts only. So type. What do you want to type? You want to type power, drill, and attachment. Guys, I am not with you when you are going when you complete this file. So please read and exactly do the same thing what it says. Next one. Next one in here. Then it says tab and come to the next line. So I come right here. Okay. And then it says type 3. Okay. I press type 3. Click type 3, click the list icon. Type 3, click on the list icon. Perfect. So all of these ones comes to 3100 accounts. Okay, so it will tell you this. Now we have bypassed the search field. Click on 2670. I click on 2670. Why? Because remember, in the question we have the GST as well. And GST on what? GST on purchase. Remember, we buy a power drill from the Foothill Hardware. So GST paid on purchases. Okay, press select. Comes automatically right here. And in here, 795. Did we pay GST 795? No. So how much we pay? Karan comes to me, sir, I have to put the amount here. Yes. So let's put it. Oops, it's not happening. Why? Because you have the credit amount first. First, you have to delete the credit amount, then go in here, debit, and punch it in, 39.75. Now, again, press tab. As soon as you press tab, it will move to the comment window. What are we paying here? GST at 5%. We have to put comment for everything we are putting it in. Okay, so now tab again. This is complete as per your book. Debit 39.75, GST at 5%. Then it says press enter. The current search field is type 2. I press type 2. Okay, press select again. Now it says that type 2. When I press select, it says 2100 accounts P. What do you mean by AP? Accounts payable. Guys, accounts payable. Why? We bought something. Now we have to pay money to this company. Which company? Foothills Hardware. It's already made for you. So press select. It's right here. Now, once you select on it, 795, 39.75, total comes to $834.75. If it comes automatically, good enough. If not, then you have to punch it in. Now, Karan comes to me, sir, do I have to put a comment in here? Yes, absolutely. Okay, what would be the comment here? Guys, how are we paying the amount to this company? Remember the question? It says term. So term means that you promise that you will pay. But when? In 30 days. So net 30 days. I wrote it here. Okay, now next one. Now you can take a look. Debits are 834.75, credits are 834.75. Both are balancing. But yes, it looks like this transaction is good, but I need to make sure this transaction is good. So let's take a look how. We want to make sure that my transaction is good or it's complete. Click on report. Always, once you complete the transaction, go report. Click display journal entry. This window will tell you if your transaction is good or not. Is it balancing or not balancing? So please take a look. Account numbers, descriptions, debit amounts, 834.75, credit amounts, 834.75. Both sides are balancing, guys. Okay, close this window. Now, same as software is called Excel. In Excel software, we go File and Save As. Here, we do not have the Save As, guys. So what are we going to do? How are we going to save it? There is a button called Post. Okay, click on Post and it will tell you the message. This transaction was posted successfully. Press OK. Done. My first transaction is done. So now close only this window, guys. Take a look. Take a look. There are two windows. One is this window and one is this window. Close only your working window, not your software window. So I closed this window. The software window is still open. It is still open till you finish your session. Do not close this window. Otherwise, your software will close. Okay, so your working window is closed. Now, next one is I did the reporting and it says post. I did the posting as well. Now, in here on page numbers are right here. Page number 45. What is the next question? Next question is bank credit memo ATC3104 dated April 3rd, 2019 from Alberta Trust Company, $8,000 bank loan secured for purchase of new customized work table. Loan deposited into bank account. Create new group account 2300 bank loan. This question is number 2. And also notice something that you have a tick mark on this question. That means this question is being solved for you. Let's do it. Okay, so I go into the software, journal. Okay, let's take a look. It says in here, the reason why I'm keeping these two together for you to easily understand it. It says enter the source for the memo. Okay, what is the source? AT-C3104. Okay, source. AT-C3104. Same exact thing, whatever says on your book. Next one, we have to put the date, guys. Date, because remember, left to right. So we are going to put the date. What is the date? April the 3rd. Okay. Then the comment. What is the comment? Right in here. Advance to comment field. What is the comment, guys? Comment is Alberta Trust New Loan. Simple. Whatever says on your notes, on your chapter, exactly same thing. Keep writing, keep copying everything, whatever says in your notes. Double click account field. Okay, double click on account field. Then double click on checking account. Okay, I double click on checking account. That checking account number is 1080. Select. Then it says type $8,000 where in debit. It says in here debit part of the transaction. I put $8,000. Then press tab. Okay, when you press tab, it will take you to the comment section. What is the comment about it? Loan for customized work table. Tab again, right? Because it says in here tab again. Okay, then click on the list icon. I click on the list icon. Then it says take a look at 2300 account. So let's take a look. Is there 2300 account? 2180 and 2650. So there's no 2300 account. So next one, it says add a new account. How? In the question, everything is given in the question. So it says create. Right in here, create. I click on create. What's the number? In the question, the number is given to us 2300. What is the name? Bank loan. So I create bank loan, and it's right here, 2300. Press tab, type it, bank loan, the name. Click next or press enter. I click next, then click next. Okay, then click next. Okay, then click next. Okay, then click next. Okay, then it says click on next until you see the word finish. I click on one next, and then I'm able to see the word finish. Finish it. Automatically comes in here 2300 bank loan, right? Now click the credit fields. Okay, click the credit fields and automatically add it for you, right? But there must be a comment to it. Let's put a comment. What is the comment? Type Alberta Trust Loan. Okay, so Alberta Trust Loan. I type it in. Now my entry is complete because my debits are 8,000, my credits are 8,000, both are balancing. Looks like it's good. No, I do not trust this. I want to make sure my entry is right. How? Click on report, go display, and take a look. So debit and credit, both entries are correct. I have done it proper. Now close this. Then it says post, click on post. So click on post and it will tell you the transaction was posted successfully. Done. Second question is good. I close the main window, this window, the work window. Main window is still open, guys. Okay, so next one. Now, next transaction is a question, but it's not solved. This question number 3, but it doesn't have a tick mark on it. So let's solve it now, this together. Read the question. So sales invoice number MM40, date is April 3rd, 2019, to Alberta Jasper, $3,500 plus 175 GST charged to design and paint animal theme mural in nursery as per contract. Sales invoice total 3,675, term is net 30. Remember, this is the sales invoice. Remember, guys, this is the sales invoice. So in the sale invoice, what have we done in the sales invoice in the first question? When we bought something, that was a purchase invoice. This one is a sales invoice. When we purchase something, we have to pay money. When we sell something, we have to receive money, right? So let's do this posting now. So I go in here, journal, create. Because this one, I can't read the steps because this one, I cannot read the steps because this question is not solved. This is for us to solve it. Okay, so let's do it. Sales invoice MM-40. Sales invoice always starts with a number or with the alphabet. So in this case, it starts with alphabet, which is MM-40. Okay, date is April 3rd. Then comment. What is the comment? Name of the company. Let's do it. Alberta Jasper. Perfect. Next one, click on the account button and let's find out what is the account. What did we do, guys? By the way, we have done some kind of a painting job in a nursery as per contract, right? So we are going to receive money, right, guys? So take a look, an appropriate account for this amount. So let's take a look. Which account would be right? So in this case, we are going to receive money. So account is 1200 Alberta Jasper, right? Uh, but first we want to find out that what have we done? We have done uh, tools and equipment, paint and supplies. We have done paint and supplies. We click on it, paint and supplies comes in right here. And how much? 3,500. And comment. What is the comment? What did we do, guys? We did design and paint animal theme mural in nursery. Okay, we have done it. Now, next one. Next is GST. We paid GST. So let's take a look. Two accounts for GST. We already know one is 2650 and 2670. Guess which one is the right amount? Which one is the right account? Is it, did we buy something? No, we provide service, guys, because we paint the nursery. So 2650 is the right account. Okay, again, how much? 175. But I click here, 175. Oops, it's not working. Karan comes to me, sir, why it is not working? Karan, reason why, because you have to delete this amount first and then come in here, 175. Okay, now what is that? GST 5%. GST at 5%. Next one, Alberta Jasper, because this is a sales invoice, guys. So Alberta Jasper has to receive money. Accounts receivable. And please take a look. The account receivable account is already there. Click on it. It automatically comes 3675, right? 3675. And what is that? The comment. How did we pay? We paid terms. Term is net 30 days, right? So by looks of it, this transaction is properly done because 3675 here, 3675 here. But I want to make sure my transaction is complete. Go report and display journal. So by looking at here, 3675, 3675, both are balancing. Perfect. Next one, I want to save this. How? By click on post. I posted. The transaction was posted successfully. Done. I close this window. This is, remember, working window. Okay. So this question number 3 is done. Question now. Next, move on to the next one. Adjusting a posted entry. So here is the entry which is given to us. We want to adjust. Remember, it says up top as a big bold heading, adjusting. We do not want to create it. It's been created already. We just have to adjust it. How? Let's take a look. It says adjusted entry. Perfect. So adjusted entry, in here, I click on journal, small arrow. It will take create, it will say find, and it will say adjust. So I click on adjust. Press OK. So which entry I want to adjust? In the question, it says Foothill Hardware. I click on it, press select. It's open. Let's do it. So now let's read the question. How are we going to do it? So what is the question? Question is given to us. From owner, the invoice from Foothills Hardware was entered incorrectly. The cost of the drill was $820 plus 41 GST paid. The revised invoice total is $861. Adjust the posted invoice to make the correction. No problem. So it says in here, memo number 1, date 4th of April. No problem. So we are not going to change anything in source. We are going to date 4th of April. Nothing in here. Okay. Now, next one. Press OK, and then I opened it, journal entry, click on this and select it. I did that. Now, where's 795? Click on it and change to 795 and change to $820. It says in here, type $820. I did that. Then, because I have automatically the GST already calculated, how much? Type $41. Okay, and then the per type $861 as a total amount as per the question. Nothing else to change, guys. Okay, then next one, it says before posting, click the source field. Okay, click the source field, and before the current entry, before F, write the word COR. Type COR, means this is my correction. This is my correction invoice. COR. So I put it right in here. Then I like to see if my entry is good. How? Go report. Display. I report, take a look, 861, 861, both sides balancing, perfect, no problem. Then it says click post. I click on post. The transaction was posted successfully. Next question is done. I close this window. Working window is still open, guys. Okay. So, is it hard? No, it's just how to read the question properly and how to solve the question. It's easy, guys. So, this is how your accountant, this is how you do the purchasing the full year and you are saving your receipt. At the end of the year, your accountant asks you, provide me the receipts and I will submit the tax on your behalf, right? So, this is how we are providing, and he is inputting that information in Sage 50 software. Now, next question is question number 5. So Karan comes to me, sir, this question doesn't have a tick mark, means we have to solve it. This question is not solved for us. So let's do it. Go into our window, journal, create. Now I'm going to record. The transaction is already solved for you, right? We have to record it. Now, how to record it? First of all, payment check number 48. So remember, nothing starts, your source cannot start, your transaction cannot start with hashtag. It has to be number or it has to be alphabet. In this case, it has to be number 48. April 5. Okay, and then comment. Comment, what is the comment? Comment is always the name of the company, Western Sky Interiors. So I write it there, same as Western Sky Interiors, right? Then press tab, comes to the account. Okay, comes to the account. So it says we did some payment, right? So to Western Sky Interiors. Okay, let's take a look if Western Sky Interiors have an account. First, take a look. Oh yeah, we have it. So 2120. First question, Sky Interiors. How much? $1,200. Okay, $1,200. Comment. Remember, guys, comment is always some of the question is your comment. You cannot create a comment by yourself. So always read the question. Where is the comment? Comment is right here. Payment of invoice number WSI-129. Write it down. Payment of invoice number WSI-129. You can use hashtag in the middle. Do not start with the hashtag. You can use the hashtag in the middle at the end, no problem, but do not start anything from hashtag. Next one. So it says in here, now Karan comes to me, Karan is confused. Now Karan comes to me, sir, now what I'm going to do? Karan, how did it's do the payment? It says in the question, how did we do the payment? Did we do payment with cash? No. Did we do payment with the credit card? No. With the term? No. So how did we do the payment? With the help of a check. So if we are paying with the check means this check is coming out from somewhere. From where? From bank. Okay. Bank. So let's take a look. What account do you think is the right account? Go through one by one. So it looks like it's a checking account, guys. Click on checking account. Okay, $1,200. Now, Karan comes to me, sir, what is the comment of this? Karan, what is the check number? Okay, so check number is payment of invoice, check number 48. Simple. Okay, it looks like that my transaction is complete. 1200, 1200, both are balancing, but I want to make sure both are balancing. How? Go report, display. Take a look. Both sides balancing. Yes. Okay, perfect. Then I can post this. Perfect. This transaction was posted successfully. Done. Close this window. My question is complete. Next question. Question number 6. Okay, main window is still open. So I click on it. Let's do this question. Some questions are less than 1 minute, guys. Less than 1 minute if you read it properly. So first one is called receipt number 20. Perfect. Okay. So receipt number 20. Dated 5th of April. Okay, 5th of April. Comment. The name of the company. From Alberta Jasper, check number 828 for 2400 in payment of invoice number MM-337. Okay, so name of the company, Alberta Jasper. Correct? Alberta Jasper. Next one. Now let's take a look. If Alberta Jasper has an account. Yes, Alberta Jasper has an account. So account receivable, right? How much? 2400. And what did we do? We did a payment of invoice. Okay, payment of invoice number MM-37. Perfect. Okay. Then again, it says check number 828. Okay, so if this is a check number means that it has to be a, yep, you guess it right. It has to be a checking account, right? So checking account 2400, and then I am putting the check number. Check number 828. Check number 828. Now, by the looks of it, my transaction is right and complete, but I want to make sure. How? Go report. Journal. Take a look. Oh, both sides and balancing. Good stuff. Now I can post it. The transaction was posted successfully. Press OK. Close this window. Done, guys, right? So I am, and my main window is still open. So question number 6 is done. Question number 7. Let's read it. Cash sales invoice. Now, remember cash sales invoice. MM-41, date is April 6, 2019. To Rolf Klingy, 2400 plus 120 GST charge for plaster work, repair work and repainting 2 rooms. So we are doing plaster repair and we are repainting 2 rooms. Sales invoice number 2520. Total invoice $2,520. Received a certified check number 8603 in full payment of account. Yep, simple question, no problem. Let's take a look. So in here, by the looks of it, there must be a 3 transaction. First, we have to record 2400, we have to record GST, and we have to record the total amount. So let's do it. Create journal, and now uh, uh, record it. Source, what is the source? Always starts with the alphabet or with the number. So alphabet is MM-41. Date, from left to right. Date is April 6th. Comment, the name of the company. Rolf, name of the company, Rolf Klinge, Klinge. Perfect, okay. Account number. Now, let's take a look. If Rolf Klinge have an account number. Does it have an account number? Nope, he doesn't have an account. Okay, no problem. Does it say in the question to make it? No, it does not. So then, oops, problem. How can we solve it? Read the question again, guys. So what are we doing? We are painting the room. We are painting the room and we're doing the plaster repair work. Okay, so in that case, we provide the service because this is sales. What does sales means, guys? When there would be a sales, we have to receive money, right? Okay, so in here, let's take a look. Which account would be appropriate out of this? Let's take a look. So paint and supplies, tools and equipment, computer equipment, sky, nothing in here, right? So we are going to, this is expense, maintenance, repairs, paints. Okay, so nope, not in here. So in here, I would use paint and supplies. Click on it, 1360. How much is the total? 2400. And then comment plaster repair work and repainting 2 rooms. Remember, do not make it up. It has to be somewhere in the question. Okay, 1360 account number, then 2400, and then GST. You have to record the GST. This time, GST. Are we selling any Are we buying anything, purchase anything? No, we are providing service. So for service, we have the account number. What is the account number for GST on service? 2650. Click on it. Charged on service. How much? 2400? No, delete it. How much? 120. Okay, I put 120. Then GST at 5%. Then next one, repair work, sales invoice, this much, received certified check number in full payment of account. So automatically when it says check, what kind of account? Checking account, right? I put checking account, how much? 2520. And in here, what are we going to write? Certified check number AT-603 full payment of account. Simple, right? Next one. So this side and this side both are balancing, but I want to double check if both are balancing. No problem. Go report, display journal. Done. 2520, 2520. I have completed this transaction. Press OK, right? Let's close this window. Now I have closed this window. So these are 8 questions what we have done so far. So you completed these 8 questions with me. Next one, advancing the session date and backup files. Okay, so advancing the session date and backup files, I'll put it in a second file, second video, second recording, so people would do the second recording as well on this. So let's do this. Thank you for this session. Now I'm going to send this file to your teacher, right? How are you going to send this file to your teacher? Good question. Now I have completed my session till question number 8. Okay, now I am going to close this window. Okay, when I click on close, it says, do you want to back up in this company? Press yes or no. Press yes. Okay, then the file name. Okay, and it says the file name. So please write down full thing in here. File name, your name, then your HID, then your class ID, then the name of the chapter. So back up, your name, Karan Ahuja, then H100, your HID, then your class ID, GB2S1, GB2S2, 3, 4, and then the chapter name, Murals. This is how you're going to do the file name. Press OK. It will ask you, do you want to create? Yes, I want to create it. So it is showing you backup in progress. Okay, and it will tell you backup complete. Press OK. My backup is complete. So I have done my file very successfully. Now I want to send this file to my teacher. How? Please take a look. When we open our file folder, there are only 2. One is Murals and one is mural.sai. Now I have 3. One is called backup, right? So now I am going to double click on the backup. Double click on backup. And here's the file which I saved. When you are going to attach this file with your Gmail account, it won't go. Why? Because it is a CAB file. CAB file cannot be attached with Gmail account. So you have to change the extension, not the name, the extension of the file. How? Right click on it. Then click on it first. Click on it, click on the file, and then go view. In view, you're able to see file name extension is off. You have to turn it on. You have to turn it on. Take a look. It is on now. So click on it and then right click. I right click on it. Cab. Change cab into DOCX. which is becomes a Word document, docx. Change that extension, docx. Now it will attach with your Gmail account. It will ask you if you sure want to change it. Yes. Now it will be attached. Now, my Gmail account is ready. I click on compose, and then I'm going to put the information in here. So first I want to attach the file. Click on this. Where is the file? File is in downloads. I found the file, Murals, 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 and backup. And here's the file. I click on the file, press open. File attaching right now. In the meantime, we are going to write the proper information. What I'm going to write, what do I need? I need a student name. I need the HID. I need the class ID. Okay, and I need the phone number. Okay, in the meantime, while you are punching this information, my file is being attached properly, no problems to the file. And now I'm going to write my email, assignment.tariq@canadahansen.com. Name, what is the name of the subject, name of the chapter, Murals. So that's my email address. That's Murals, the chapter name. Student name, student ID. So student name, guys, your name, and then HID, class ID, and your phone number. So you are going to complete all of this and then simply click press send, and it will be sent to me in my email. So that's what the part number 1 of this chapter I have completed, and I showed you how to send me a file on my account as an email. So I will meet everybody in the part 2 session of this class. Till then, thank you and take care.